Welcome viewers, in this video we'll see the details about the arrays available in the C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic, arrays. An array is a collection of data types, all of same type, accessed using common name. So the array is a collection of data with the same type of data, and we can access the data with the common name. We have one more topic available, structures, that is collection of different type of data. Array is the collection of same type of data. Right? In order to avoid the repeated names, variable name, we can have the common name with the same type of data. For that we are using the arrays, collection of same type of data. So there are two types available. First type is the single dimensional arrays. Single dimensional array means a list of item can be given one variable name using only one subscript. Only one subscript is available. That is, we'll see the syntax: data type, array name, size. Only one. This is called a subscript. Only one size is there. Right? So the example is integer mark 100. So the data type is integer. Then array name is mark. This 100 is the maximum number of elements in the array. So by using the mark variable, we can store 100 different mark of the students. Right? So no need to go mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, mark 4 like that 100. We can have only one name mark. Type integer. 100 means we can store in this mark variable name mark, we can store 100. The 100 marks can be stored in this. So another example, integer a of 5 equal to 25, set of 25, 30, 12, 18, 20. So this is one example, mark with 100 marks or can be stored. This is another example, the integer type is integer, the variable name is a. We can store up to maximum of 5 elements. These 5 elements are given here, right? So this is the data type, this is the variable name, maximum number of elements in the variable name. This is the elements. These are all the elements. Now how these elements are stored, what is the how to access this, how to differentiate these 5 elements. So this is available, how to differentiate these 5 elements. So this first element 25 is stored in a of 0. So this is the variable name, this is 0. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called array integers. Array integers means this differentiate where it is located. Location, memory location. First variable 25 stored in a of 0. Second variable 30 is stored in a of 1. Third variable 12 stored in a of 2. Fourth variable 18 stored in a of 3. Fifth variable 20 stored in a of 4. Right? So this is the variable name, this is the array element, this is the array integers where it is located. So there are max 5 elements are there. We start from 0, so it is going up to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can easily understand. These 5 elements having different, the locations are available. A is the common name. A of 0 means first element. A of 1 means second element. A of 2 means third element. A of 4 means fourth element. A of 4 means fifth element. So see this, by using the integers we can have different names for the different location for the given array. So you can easily access. If you want to access the third element, we can use a of 2. Right? So array, single dimensional array mean only one subscript. We can have n number of elements that is differentiated by this array integers. Right? Now we'll go to the second type, two-dimensional array. The second type is the two-dimensional array. We'll see the details about the two-dimensional array. Array have more than one subscript variable is called a multi-dimensional array. Earlier we have only one subscript, now more than one subscript. For example, we have two subscript, that is called a matrix. That is a row size and column size. Earlier we have only size of the array. 100, 5. This multi-dimensional means more than one subscript. Suppose we have two subscript means that is coming under matrix. Multi-dimensional array is called a matrix. The syntax is data type, array name, row size and column size. We have row and column. So that is coming under the matrix format. The example is integer a 3, 3. Row size is 3, column size is 3. So 3 into 3 means 9 elements are available. 21, 18, 45, 23, 17, 32, 14, 11 and 19. So the 9 elements are available, right? So multi-dimensional array, in that two subscripts are available means it is a matrix. We need to specify row size and column size. The example is available. There are 9 elements are available. How these 9 elements are stored? So first we have to go with the row, first row. First 3 elements stored in first row. Second 3 elements stored in second row. Third 3 elements are stored in third row. In that, this first row, these 3 elements are stored. This first element stored in first row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. Like that it will store, right? So we need to differentiate row as well as column. See here the 3 elements are 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. So A, variable name is A. This 0 refers first row. This 0, 1, 2 refers first column, second column, third column, right? So A0, 0, first element will be stored. First column, first row. A0, 1, first row, second column, 18. A0, 2, first row, second column, 45. Right? So 21, 18, 45 stored in the first row with the first column, second column and third column. Similarly, A10, now see this 0 become 1. That means it is a second row. All are second row. In that, first column, second column, third column. Right? A10 means A0, 23 is stored. Second row, first column. A11, in that 17 is stored. Second row, second column. A12, 32 is stored. Second row, third column. Now we go to the third row, A of 2. See, A of 0 means first row, A of 1 second row, A of 2 means third row. In that, first column, second column, third column. A of 2, 0, 14. Third row, first column, we are storing 14s. A21, third row, second column, we are storing 11. A of 2, third row, third column stored in 19, right? So in single dimensional array, it is stored 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. In two dimensional array, it is stored as 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. That refers first row, first column, second column, third column. Similarly, we have second row, third row. Now we'll see in more detail how it is stored in a matrix format. So what we discussed is given in a matrix format. It is given in this matrix format. This is a row 1, row 2, row 3. Because it is start from 0, it is given as row 0, row 1, row 2. That is nothing but this is first row, second row, third row. Normally we start with 0. Similarly, this is the first column, second column, third column. That is column 0, column 1, column 2. Here also we start with 0. Right? So by this we can see 0, 0, column 0, row 0. So this is the first element, 21. 0, 1, first row, second column, 18. Then 0, 2, first row, third column, 45. Right? 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2 refers all are first row. In that, first column, second column, third column. 21, 18, 45 are stored. Now we'll go to the second row. This refers the second row. 1, 0. Second row, first column, 23 is stored. 1, 1. Second row, second column, 17 is stored. 1, 2. Second row, third column, 32 is stored. Now second row is completed. Now we'll go to the third row. In third row, 0, 2, 0. 2, 0 means third row, first column, 14 is stored. 2, 1. Third row, second column, 11 is stored. 2, 2. Third row, third column, 19 is stored. Right? So the numbers are stored as 21, 18, 45, 23, 17, 32, 14, 11, 19 in a matrix format. So this refers row, first row, second row, third row. This refers first column, second column, third column. So we can easily identify any element. For example, this one means 1, 1. 1, 1 means second row, second column. Right? So single dimensional array, we have only one indices. Right? 0, 1, 2. In matrix, multi-dimensional means we are considering the two subscript. That is row size, column size. By using that, we can frame the numbers in a matrix format. So by using this two-dimensional array, we can perform the matrix manipulation, matrix addition, matrix subtraction, multiplication. All the calculation related to matrix can be performed by two-dimensional array. In single-dimensional array, we can store the set of numbers, either student name, student mark, average mark, balance. The common data are we can store register number, roll number can be stored in single dimensional array. So in this video we discuss about the array available in the C programming language. We discuss what is mean by array, then two types of array, single dimensional array and multi-dimensional, that is two-dimensional array. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.